You're up early?
Always been an early bird, haven't I?
Yeah, just didn't realise it was this early.
Sounded like you had a good night.
No, I'm just...
Coffee?
What?
Do you want coffee? Black, no sugar, right?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Surprised you remembered.
I remember a lot of things about you. Last night brought back a lot of memories.
Okay.
Bit weird to think about them whilst, you know, you were with my sister.
Yeah, look,
No, it's fine.
Is it? I don't feel like any of this is...
No, it's not fine, but I'm fine.
Okay, that's good. I was worried that you might...
I still love you. I love you. Aren't you gonna say it back? Because in the past year I've done. It's embarrassing how often you said it. It's gone flying out your mouth at every possible moment. I thought that's what you want to hear. I thought it'd be wet at the chance.
Yeah, but...
But what?
I just had sex with your sister. Again.
Again? How many times have you had sex with her?
I'm not going to tell you that.
I have the right to know she's my sister.
Exactly, that's just wrong.
I deserve to know how many times you've broken my trust. When I say I love someone, it means I would die for them. You are this close to losing my love, and I know how badly you want it. Wrong is trying to sneak out in the morning, treat my sister like she's nothing. Wrong is acting like a dirty little whore.
Thank you.
What?
For really cementing this whole experience for me.
What are you talking about?
I did love you. And I told you that. Most days for no other reason than because if I didn't say those words out loud, I thought I was going to choke. Because I was so desperate for you to say them back.
I'm saying it now.
Don't do that. It's because you can see I'm happy with someone else. With your 18-year-old sister, no less.
You fucking leave out of this.
Oh, but she already is so into this. It was 5 times, by the way. You know, I wanted so badly to be your girlfriend. To have the best bits. Not the sex, not the late night hookups. Morning snuggles would have been nice, but you always were an early bird. It's all coming full circle, isn't it?
You can't hurt me.
No. But I know you'll die for the ones you love, and you love your sister. I promised her the fucking world. Now you can clean up the mess. Oh, and you should know. She was a virgin. And still a better shag than you ever were.